Today, we are going to explore on how we can create an email template using our CRM. To do that, we go to CRM and Dashboard. And on the Emails tab, we click Email Templates. After that, we click Create a new template. And then we're going to give the template a name. Let's call this template discount, or let's put it like this, 30% discount. And we need to create an email subject that is attractive. Grab your 30% discount. And also we will set a email pre-header to get even more attention. Limited discount. After we set the email subject and the email pre-header, if we look down here to the email body, we can choose the template type. We can choose a template as a simple boxed, as a plain centered, template plain left, or the classic editor, or even the raw HTML. We also have the visual builder that we can use for the template, but now we're going to stick with the template simple box to create this email. And let's see also the settings that we can adjust. We can change the body background colors, so we're going to do that. Let's set another color and click OK. We can change the content background color. We can change the footer text color. We can change the content max width. Usually this is standard, it's better that we leave it like this. For 700 is standard, so that should be fine. We can adjust the default content color and the link color. Besides that, we can change the fonts if we want to. We have some fonts that we can choose from, and the headings font. So let's update the settings once we are happy with the changes, and then we can start writing. Here we're going to insert, let's insert a heading, and we can say limited time discount only for you. And we can put this, we can center this. So let's center the heading. And here on top, we should also add the name, hello. Let's do it like this, hello. And to get the first name or the full name or the contact email and so on, we will use this special sign, which is the sign we use for emails. And let's choose the first name in this case. So hello, first name. And then we add the text, limited time discount only for you. And then we can say, grab your discount for a limited time. Hurry and order. Let's say like this. Let's make this one centered. And we can use multiple blocks in here. So if you click the plus sign, we can choose different blocks that we can add in the email. And let's say we want to add an image here, right? So let's drag the image block. And let's upload an image. We're just going to drag it in here. And we have an image that looks nice. And then we can add, let's add a button on the bottom. So let's add a button and say, order now. Let's make this one centered. Also, the text should be center, and we can make it bigger here. On the right side, we have the options to customize the items. So let's also change the background of the button. Let's make it more attractive like this. And give it a radius of 12, maybe even more, like 20. And this is how it's starting to look good. So this is the email, hello, contact first name. This will be replaced with a contact first name. And then we have the header, we have an image, we have a text, and we have the order now button. Maybe we can add a spacer in here to give it a little bit more room. And I think this is starting to look very nice. After that, we just need to save the template. And we can also send a test email to make sure that this works. After we save the template, let's send the test email. You can add any email in here to make sure it works, to make sure it looks good on different devices. And you can also export the template if you want to maybe import it in another platform. So that works too. You can also use the import template if you have the templates in some other place. So that will work too. And yes, we are done with our templates that we can use in any campaigns that we would like. After we are finished with everything, we can click this I button to see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks, and we can see here that we have an invalid link. Okay, so let's look into that one. And yes, we have an invalid link for the button, so let's create a link. Let's say I want to put a link to my product from the shop. So let's make it, let's take my website and I want to add /shop to take the user to the shop. And the link is set. We will save the template again and recheck to see if everything is fine. Yes, it will replace the name. And it looks pretty good. And this is how we easily set a template for our campaigns.